All right, folks, I got 5 cryptocurrencies for you guys to watch. These are all altcoins that look like they're about ready to absolutely explode. The first one is going to be TARS AI. This was actually a request the other day, and I ended up buying it at 3 cents. It's almost up to 6 now, but you can see there's a lot of meat on that bone. This is an AI project based on Solana. Again, the ticker is TAI. It's not available on Binance or Coinbase, but it is on the Phantom Wallet and KuCoin. But you can see we got this dot here last week. And just like how this red dot was a sell signal all the way up here at around 40 cents, this green dot is a buy signal right down here as well. And we got that last week. But again, if you zoom out of the chart, it doesn't look like it's too late. We're actually making a higher low. You can see we opened up right here at around a penny, and we're bouncing right there at around 2 pennies. So if this thing goes back to its all-time high, which was all the way up here at 50 cents, that is almost a 20x trade all the way to the top. So that's going to be the first one. TAI, that's TARS protocol. The next one's going to be AIOZ, also giving you a signal here. That came a couple weeks ago. We've called all these out. All the signals get called out in the Discord, by the way. If you guys are not in the Discord, that link is in my bio. But you can see the last time we got these green dots down here on a weekly chart was back here in 2024. And before that was in 2023. But these ones right here back in 2024, we kind of just chopped. And then we absolutely exploded the upside. So there's 2 things that can happen right now. Again, we can just chop around a little bit, or we could just absolutely explode to the upside. I'm looking more for a move like this going into summertime and into the end of the year. I think the next couple of months are going to be really, really big for crypto. And this is another AI play. AIOZ is the ticker on that one. That one is on Coinbase, I believe. And then this one here is going to be STX. This is Stacks. We've been tracking this for a while. This signal was also called out here on March 24th. Okay, that was right there around 52 cents. It's sitting at 82 cents now. And the all-time high on this one is all the way up here at around $3 and around $4. And it's sitting right here at 80 cents right now. So again, a lot of meat on that bone. We're going to be looking to sell when this blue wave comes back up here. Okay, just like it did. We're still literally on the bottom side of it. So yes, you're a little late to the party if you didn't buy on the green dot, but it's just now breaking out over that 90 MA. So STX, I believe this one's on Coinbase as well, looking really good. And then you guys are more familiar with these last 2. This one's Algorand, ALGO, giving us a green dot here as well. That came last week, also called out in the Discord, up nicely. You can see the last round of green dots we got on this was back here again in 2024. We just chopped, and then we exploded. This thing went from 10 cents all the way up there to 60 cents. That was a 500% move that last go round, and all-time highs on this thing is all the way up here at $3, and it's literally sitting at like 20 cents right now. So if this thing comes back and touches all-time highs, like I think it's going to, again, that's about a 10x trade on that. Again, this one is Algorand. And then the last one's going to be AVAX. Okay, AVAX is looking really, really good here as well. Also giving us the signals down here. Again, the last time we got these was right here in 2024. And these are 1 to 6 month trade swing trades, guys. These are not day trades. So this doesn't happen overnight. This is a weekly chart we're looking at here. Okay, this takes weeks to months to develop. Okay, but if you're good enough and you can hold and you have the patience, okay, this thing went from 20 all the way up to 60. That's a 200% move. Same thing back here. Boom, got the green dot. Bada bing, bada boom. $9 all the way up there to 65. We'll see where these green dots take us this go around, but I think crypto is about ready to absolutely explode, folks. There's going to be a FOMO rally here very, very shortly. So again, that was AVAX, Algorand, STX, AIOZ, and TAI.